question, we are given a circuit having an internal resistance of 18 volt. Uh, the internal resistance of an 18 volt cell is negligible. So there is a battery of 18 volt and the value of R1, R2, sorry, the R1, R3 and R4 is given. So we need to find the value of R2. It's also given that an ideal voltmeter reads 5 volt across R4. Okay, so if across R4 we are given the potential difference and its resistance is also given, don't you think then we can find the current? So current through I4 will be voltage through I4, which is 5 over its resistance, which is 500. So 1 over 100 is something which we are getting. 1 over 100 is 0.01 ampere. This is the current through I4. And obviously R4 and R3 are in series. So we can say that this current actually is 0.01 ampere. Okay. Now we got to find the value of R2 from here. So, all right, let's try to see, let's see what else can we do. If this current was X and this current went as 0.01, so this current will be X minus 0.01, right? So we can apply the KVL in this particular loop. So if we do that, we have plus 18 minus X times R1 uh, minus x minus 0.01 times r2 is equal to 0. Value of r1 is given as is 400. So we get 18 minus 400x minus x r2 plus 0.01 r2 is equal to 0. All right, let's call it equation number 1 because we don't know x and we don't know r2. And remember that there is another loop in which we can apply the what do you call it as the KVL, which is in this particular loop. So if you apply on the green one, we'll get x minus 0.01 because we are going opposite to the current times R2 minus R3 plus R4 because they are in series, right? So R3 plus R4 is 100 plus 500, which is 600 times 0.01 is equal to 0. So from here, x minus 0.01 R2 uh, is equal to, I think we are getting 6 over here because 600 times 0.01 is 6. Let's call it equation number 2. And so what we are going to do from here is, in fact, let's not call it equation 2. Let's divide both sides by x minus 0.01. I'm sorry. Let's divide both sides by R2 to get x minus 0.01 as 6 over R2 and add 0.01 both the sides. So 6 over R2 plus 0.01. Let's call this equation number 2. And this value of x, we are going to substitute in equation number 1 so that we eliminate x and get the value of R2. So we get 18 minus 400 times 6 over R2 plus 0.01. Um, minus r2 is taken out and we are left with x minus 0.01 like here, which can be replaced by 6 over r2. 6 over r2 is equal to 0. So r2 and r2 is cancelled. Let's open up the parentheses. So that's 18 minus 2400 over r2 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So 8 minus 2400 over R2 is equal to 0. If we rearrange, then 8 is equal to 2400 over R2. Dividing both sides by 8, we have 300. So the value of R2 comes out as 300 ohms if we cross multiply. So answer is option C. Thank you.